Friends, your guests will ask for this recipe. Bacon-wrapped mushrooms, very easy to cook. I chose the 8 largest mushrooms I could find. The bigger, the easier they are to work with. I'm placing them on a cutting board. Remove the stems to get the mushrooms ready for stuffing. Keep the cups whole, they'll hold everything better. Now repeat this process with the rest of the mushrooms. Don't worry, this part is super quick, it only takes about 30 seconds. By the way, it's a great time to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's add some seasoning to make the mushrooms even more flavorful. Stick to dry spices, this way the mushrooms won't get soggy. I'm using my favorite blend: paprika, oregano, garlic powder and pepper. It gives a balanced flavor. Now we need to spread the seasoning evenly. To keep things clean, I'm putting in a glove and mixing it all together. Mix well, so all the mushrooms are nicely coated. For this recipe, we'll also need a baby potatoes. Start boiling the potatoes while we move on to the next step. We are using cheddar cheese. This much is just enough for stuffing. Cut the cheddar into squares. This makes it easier to add to the mushrooms. The main flavor in today's recipe is bacon, which will make the dish rich and hearty. I have about 10 ounces here. Lay the bacon strips in a cross pattern. They'll wrap around the mushrooms better this way. If your bacon strips are wide, 2 strips should be enough for each mushroom. Place the mushroom cap in the center of the bacon. Gently wrap the bacon around the mushroom so it's snug. Add a square of cheddar on top of the bacon. It'll melt nicely and add a creamy touch. Set it aside on a plate. Repeat with the remaining mushrooms and we'll have the dish ready in no time. Don't worry, this doesn't take too long. The ocean's tides can live without the moon, and darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. By the way, where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. It helps me to get to know my audience better. If you love cooking, don't forget to subscribe. I have lots more recipe ideas coming up. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth now. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Now place a cooked potato in the center of each portion. Use a toothpick to hold everything together while it bakes. Come back home to me, where rivers are running free. Now carefully place the mushrooms on a baking tray. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my... Bake for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Just enough to make them tender and flavorful. While they are baking, let's prepare a glaze to boost the flavor. Grate some garlic to add a little kick to the glaze. shelter from the storm. I'll keep you safe and warm. We'll hide out here for as long.
Add soy sauce, a mix of dried herbs, paprika, and a bit of olive oil.
Brick by brick, relate the bones to this old place. Memories I won't let ever fade.
Mix the glaze thoroughly so everything is well combined. Time's up. Take out the mushrooms. They already look delicious. Generously brush the glaze onto each mushroom to enhance the taste. Look at how amazing they look. The glaze coats them perfectly.
Windows down, scattered clouds. Smell of
With the glaze on, put the dish back in the oven for 10 minutes so the glaze sets. If you're looking for a good oven, I recommend this one. It makes cooking so easy. Link in the description.
as if all I have is you.
And here it is. Our dish is ready.
Yeah, I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun it slowly fades.
Bacon and mushrooms. This combination is always a hit.
Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all
The bacon added so much flavor to the mushrooms, and they stayed juicy and tender. You have to try this recipe. It's sure to be a crowd pleaser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed it.